I'm going to compare HOSTSTINGER and KINSTA. HOSTSTINGER and KINSTA are both popular web hosting providers, but they cater to different needs. HOSTSTINGER gets a lot of praise for being affordable, fast, and easy to use. HOSTSTINGER also has helpful tools like an AI website builder and 24/7 chat support. Most customers feel they get great value for the price. It offers Premium for $2.99, Business for $3.99, and Cloud Startup for $7.99. However, some mention that the renewal prices are higher than the starting rates. KINSTA is a premium managed WordPress hosting provider renowned for its exceptional speed, robust security, and user-friendly interface. Security is a top priority, with features such as free wildcard SSL certificates, DDoS protection, daily malware scans, and isolated container technology to ensure site integrity. KINSTA offers impressive performance with an average uptime of 99.99% and rapid page load times. KINSTA's customer support is available 24/7 via live chat, staffed by WordPress experts who provide swift and knowledgeable assistance. However, it's important to note that KINSTA does not offer email or domain hosting services. Overall, HOSTSTINGER is better for affordable, beginner-friendly hosting, while KINSTA is better for high-performance, managed WordPress hosting with premium support.